In this video, you'll learn how to connect Google Drive to Canva so you can easily use your existing files in your designs without having to download and upload them over and over again. We'll go through each step slowly and clearly, and by the end, your Google Drive will be linked directly inside Canva. First, open Canva. You can do this in your web browser or through the desktop app if you have it installed. Make sure you're logged into the Canva account you actually want to use because the Google Drive connection will be tied to this specific Canva account. If you use multiple Canva accounts, it's a good idea to double check you're in the right one before moving on. Once you're in Canva, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical panel with options like Home, Projects, and more, depending on your version. In that left panel, find and click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps all the integrations and extra tools that connect to other services like Google Drive. After you've opened the Apps section, you'll see a collection of different apps and services that can be connected to Canva. Instead of scrolling through everything, go to the search bar within Apps and type Google Drive. This will quickly bring up the Google Drive integration so you don't have to hunt for it. When you see the Google Drive option appear, click on it. On the Google Drive app page in Canva, you'll see a button that says Connect. Go ahead and click Connect. This tells Canva you want to link your Canva account with a Google account so it can access your Drive files. At this point, a Google sign-in window will appear. If you're already signed into a Google account in your browser, you might see a list of accounts to choose from. Select the Google account that has the Drive files you want to use in Canva. If you're not signed in yet, you'll be asked to enter your Google email and password. Make sure you choose the correct account, especially if you use different Google accounts for personal, school, or work files. After choosing or signing into your Google account, Google will show you an access permission screen. This is where Google explains what Canva is asking to do with your Drive, such as viewing or importing files. Take a moment to read through the permissions so you understand what you're allowing. If you're comfortable with the access level, click Allow to continue. If you accidentally chose the wrong Google account, you can go back and switch before confirming. Once you've allowed the permissions, the connection process finishes automatically in the background. You'll be taken back into Canva, and your Google Drive integration will now be active. From here on, when you're working on a design, you can access your Drive files directly inside Canva. To see this in action, open or create any design in Canva. In the left panel, look for the Google Drive app or the option to import from Google Drive. When you click it, you should see your Drive, folders, and files appear, just like they do in Google Drive itself. You can browse through your folders, select a file, and insert it right into your Canva design. That's all it takes. By following these steps, you've connected Google Drive to Canva, making it much easier to bring in documents, images, and other assets straight from your Drive into your projects.